Pakistan has no money for imports.
Pakistan's descent into total chaos.
Things are bad when people start fighting for food.
Food department had run out of its wheat stock. The perfect storm was hovering over Pakistan.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and most merciful. Hello everyone, we are talking about the big problems of our beloved Pakistan is dealing with. We are facing a lot of issues that are making it hard for us to stay stable and independent. In this video, we will break down these big problems and suggest some good solutions to stop things from getting worse. Join us to play your individual role in stability of our country.
In political stable condition, people have power. They use their power for the development of a nation. And in political unstable condition, people feel powerless, lose their interest on government, and they prefer their own interest in front of state, and then the society leads to split. There are many causes for instability of a country, but I want to discuss about two major causes, which is identity crisis and legitimacy crisis. The problem of identity and legitimacy crisis is closely related to each other. The sense of identity may also be developed by accepting the legitimacy of the authority. The legitimacy crisis is regarded with the form of government institutions, the breakdown in the constitutional structure and the authority of leadership. Legitimacy crises occur when people reject the leader's claim based on the historical preference, and the leaders thrown out when they fail to fulfill the promises, and this situation leads to the crisis of authority. The problem of political stability in the context of identity and legitimacy crisis in Pakistan has been sharpened mainly due to the effects of rapid socio-political mobilization and the excessive institutionalized role of civil and military bureaucracy, which has unbalanced the entire political order of the country. The leadership in Pakistan is always from the top to bottom, and the actual process of dreaming a leader starts from bottom to top, in which the first step is social welfare service, then in political arena.
Why a country which got 75% of all the resources during partition is dependent on international aids? If we look in back, then during partition we got 34 from 921 industries, 75 crore from 325 crore rupees, 33% of British Army. But if we look our country today, then we find that Pakistan is facing a massive shortage of power that makes 80% of Pakistan in darkness. Textile sector is facing a whopping financial loss of USD 70 million. Pakistan economy is in dire straits as its forex reserve fall below 3 billions USD dollars. Our government is forcing people to close market at 8:30 p.m. due to fuel shortage. An interesting thing is that after 76 years of independence, Pakistan is earning millions by selling donkeys to China.
Corruption in Pakistan permeates various sectors, contributing to widespread societal issues. Here are key points and statistics highlighting corruption in different areas of Transparency International. According to report of 2002 in judiciary, 2010 breakdown, 33.62% identified court employees, 23.73% public prosecutors, and 12.43% judges as involved in corruption. TI Pakistan 2011 identified the judiciary as one of the most corrupt institutions. In 2010, TI Pakistan found that 23.7% gained admission through non-normal procedures. Private sector explosions of Western educational models contributes to unaffordable fees. Or Syed Abdul Aziz declared education as one of the most corrupt sector in Pakistan in 2011. In 2010, 42% reported accessing hospital services through non-standard admission methods. 61% attributed corrupt act to hospital staff, 25% to doctors, and 13% to nurses. TI's 2013 survey identified the police as the most corrupt sector. 31% of respondents reported paying bribes to the police. In 2010, Pakistan cricket sport fixing scandal involved players and a bookmaker in legal betting practices. The Pakistan Cricket Board established an anti-corruption until in 2011 prevent such incidents. A 2002 study reported 99% facing corruption in taxation. 32% paid bribes to lower tax assessment and nearly 14% received facilitation tax assessments until bribes were paid. Statistics underscore the precise nature of corruption in Pakistan, affecting crucial institutions and sectors, leading to the significant social and economic challenges.
Pakistan, despite its size, struggles with an bad education system, contributing to a high literacy, poor access to clean water, and inadequate facilities. One of the most glaring issues in Pakistan education system is the lack of adequate infrastructure and facilities in many regions. In rural areas, many schools lack proper building, electricity, and a clean drinking water. As highlighted in the Pakistan Education Sector Report 2016, the country boasted 40,712 public primary schools, 22,233 public secondary schools, and 30,171 private primary schools. However, the Division of Education Institute Mum Province is unsatisfactory. This impedes students' access to quality education, leading to a emergence of uneducated leaders for the country in future.
Political reforms. The government must prioritize the strengthening institutions such as the judiciary to ensure independence, fostering transparent governance for citizen and investor confidence, and establishing mechanisms for smooth transition between governments to ensure continuity. These measures collectively contribute to political stability, providing a foundation for sustained economic development, social cohesion, and national progress, and to build a connection between Pakistan and the abroad countries.
Economic revitalization. The government must focus on revitalizing the economy by implementing crucial reforms in education and healthcare system to enhance human capital. Additionally, investments in infrastructure development will spur economic growth, while attracting foreign investment will improve capital availability. Implementing effective anti-corruption measures and fostering a business-friendly environment will enhance government efficiency and encourage entrepreneurship. These initiatives collectively contribute to economic revitalization, paving the way for a more prosperous and stable future.
Raising public awareness and promoting national unity. The government must prioritize raising public awareness and promoting national unity by providing education quality to ensure a more informed and educated population. Celebrating and preserving Pakistan's rich heritage will foster a sense of identity and pride among citizens. Encouraging community engagements is crucial for promoting social coherence, as it brings people together, enhances mutual understanding, and strengthens the bond that forms the foundation of United Nations. These efforts collectively contribute to building a strong, inclusive, and hard-working society. Individual roles. Individual roles play a vital role in the national progress by staying informed, upholding ethics, prioritizing education, preserving cultural heritage, and fostering unity within communities. Active civil participants and responsible decision-making contributes to the collective strength and prosperity of country, Pakistan. As a result, we can say that tackling Pakistan's challenges necessitates a holistic approach. Implementing political reforms, revitalizing the economy, addressing the extremism, and fostering national unity are crucial steps. We must have to play the individual roles in the forward movement of our country. This is the responsibility of every Pakistani to become loyal to his country and play his individual role to make his country better day by day. By collectively working towards these solutions, we can hope to prevent the further decay of our beloved nation. Let us strive for a strong, united, and prosperous Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.